Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-pack of candles. These are really nice candles. They are 3 inches in diameter, and you get 3 different sizes. You get a 4, a 5, and a 6-inch candle. And they come with a remote. All you've got to do is add some batteries in all of them. Then you can just use this remote and turn them all on. They can either go as a steady light or they can do like a flickery candle light. You've got a timer on here. You can increase your brightness, decrease the brightness. So I'm going to bring you in here so you can see these candles and we'll put them to the test. So here's the candle up close. You've got kind of a tinted look through it. And then at the bottom, we just turn it on. And this is also where you add in your 2 AA batteries. So we're going to turn on all 3 of these. And then you see your nice glow of the candles on there. There's a pretty LED bulb that are on each one of these. So you can turn them on and off with this remote. You got your on and your off. And then you have a 2, 4, 6, and 8 hour timer. Now you can put it in different modes. So you have your candle or just your steady light, which right now you're kind of going a little bit. So there's your light where you're just a steady mode. Or you can put it on candle where it kind of looks like that candle is a real flame and it's just kind of flickering a little bit. And then you can increase your brightness or you can dim them down. So now I've got these candles just right above my stairs here. And they look really pretty as they just kind of are doing the little flickering on here. And then I'll get them set on a timer. So then at night, we will be able to see these beautiful candles just doing their thing and knowing that every night they'll come on at the same time and be ready to go.